Is it noticeable that I live on a gravel road? Hey, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Serendipity. Today I'm going to do something just a little bit different. I thought I was going on this little hiking trail, walking trail really, that I might as well try to film something, just to do something a little bit different. And that's something that I really like doing, is going out and just in nature and walking around and stuff, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. It might be a bad idea because we're in the middle of summer. It's been very hot lately, like consecutively, like 115 degrees. Like, it's been hot. Maybe with the high temperatures, there'll be less people on the trail. So, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Well, let's get on this road. I think it's about a 40-minute drive. And I think we're going to go into a little bit of a swampy area. So we might see an alligator, which I'm hoping that we do. But yeah, let's get on to this road. $1 million, you wouldn't go walking?
I don't think so. I don't think I will.
I had $1 million cash, and you wouldn't hurry and go walk through it?
I might not come out of it. You don't know how deep that water is. You know how many snakes are in there?
Yeah, but I'm saying for $1 million, all you literally walk.
I'm not getting it. You'll be dead.
You're literally walking for. You're literally walking there and back.
But I'm gonna be dead when all the snakes get me.
there is the Causeway Bridge. I believe it's the second longest bridge in the world. When you get to like the middle out there you can't see any land at all.